Hey, welcome back to the Odd Rod Garage. We have our professional attire on today, and we're going to tell you what this is all about because we have some tricks of the trade that are really going to help you guys out.
And these are EPA approved, bruh.
Absolutely. And I'll tell you what, phone reception, much better when we have these things on. Hey, we appreciate you guys coming out and checking out some of the stupid things we do. Make sure that you subscribe to the channel. Give us a thumbs up, hit that bell notification, send us a message, and share that link. We'd really appreciate it. So why are we dumb enough to have aluminum hats on? First place, if you know about all the stuff the government's doing, this is not stupid. This is smart. We don't want them to get what's going on in our mind because we'd be in worse shape as a country than we are right now.
Right. Well, it keeps our thoughts inside.
Exactly. All right, so here's what it is. Taping off a truck. Taping off a car, a truck, whatever it is you're going to paint. There are some little tricks that we can tell you that will actually help out a lot. So, thanks to our aluminum hats, we're going to show you a couple tricks real quick. Check this out. All right, you'll notice here that we are getting ready to paint the front clip of Brandon's truck. And you'll notice that we have aluminum foil here, we have aluminum foil over top of this, and it's one of the old painter's tricks. Instead of having to try and tape it off, you actually grab aluminum foil and you wrap it around and crunch it to it, and it sticks to it. It won't come off, it doesn't leave tape residue, and it conforms to any shape you want. So you're not trying to take paper and make it go down around some weird curve or circle or whatever it is. You just crunch it on. If you pulled off a piece that was too small, just pull off another piece, add it to it. So we have aluminum hats on today because we are doing it in honor of taping off with aluminum foil. One of the best tricks I can give you guys.
All right, guys. So as you can see, we're starting to just mask off just a couple things. We're gonna reshoot the block, and obviously these valve covers are not the ones that are staying on it. Pete already ordered a different set. So we have the timing cover masked off. Obviously these are masked off. The booster line, stuff like that. More stuff over there. Water pump, or fuel pump rather. I'm gonna wait and let Pete show you. This is a trick that Pete showed me. It's a really neat way to mask off. So we're pretty good right here. I'm not really worried about the tranny lines because those aren't really in the firing area. What I am going to do though is I'm going to blow it off and then start sanding the other panels. So hold on real quick, plug your ears while I blow this thing off. So this is the driver inner panel. So what I want to do is I want to make sure, obviously I'm going to wipe all this down. When they sent it, it had like foam that was glued to the corners. I'm pretty sure that that's not how it's supposed to be because a lot of it's in the wrong spot. So I'm going to try to get some of this off with a razor blade here. So I'm going to take some paint there and see if I can get that stuff off. Okay, let's start with definitely one right there because obviously you'll see that. I don't really know why they would do this, but so for aesthetic side, that's good there. That's okay, we need to get that. That's good. Let's see how our sticker glue came out. That stuff's kind of a nuisance here. Yeah, that looks pretty good. That looks pretty good. So let's go ahead and flip it over. Yeah. Hey. twosies. Yeah, seeing some more of this. It's weird. I don't know why they would put that on there. It's kind of bothersome. Trying to.
You don't want to use a lacquer thinner on it?
I was with just like the residue. I mean, I guess I could just try putting it on the whole thing and see what it does. I wasn't exactly sure if I should be doing that. Which made me a happy camper. Happy camper. Stuff is burning my nostrils. Alright guys, so I got the goo off of that corner. Got this off of here. That surface looks good. And now we're gonna go ahead and take care of this. This stuff you'll never see. I just want to get the big boogers off. The big boogers, boogers. All right, let's start by. I need to wipe this off. I almost got that one off one whole swoop. Do off of here. So what we're going to do is we're going to use Scotch-Brite pads. Sort of like this. You can get them in various grades, I guess you could say. Anyway, because it's actually a really good panel, we don't have any Bono, we don't have any of that stuff. I'm going to go ahead and use this on this surface because all you need to do is just scratch a little bit up for the paint to adhere. So, and you don't really have to dig it nothing. And you'll know when you're using the Scotch-Brite, you'll know when it's ready if it, once it's not shiny anymore, you know. Well, for this will be more than enough. The cool thing about these is they don't dig real bad, so you don't actually, you have very little like swirl marks. Like if you went with a sandpaper that was a little bit too abrasive, then you'd end up with sandpaper marks. And then you gotta try to sand those out, and that's just the problem. So, these pads do wonderful for this kind of stuff.
So one of the things you guys need to realize is that we leave stuff all over the place. All right, so this whole pandemic thing has caused all kinds of problems. One of the things is that the paint that we originally started painting the engine compartment and parts of the motor with, we haven't been able to get it. There's nothing in the state of Arizona. We've been looking for it for weeks. So we're gonna have to do some conversion. So we have some other paint we're gonna do. You'll see that here in a minute as we spray it. And the reason we still have our aluminum hats on is we've worn them all day long. And I gotta tell you, there's a couple things about aluminum hats. Number one, they make your head sweat. That's not good, and I'm sure that's not gonna smell good either. But it is quite a fashion statement. When we went into Home Depot earlier today, everybody was looking at us.
Where'd you get those?
Yeah, they wanted to know because this is custom right here. These things really do make your head sweat. I'm gonna cover my bald head up with my hat. We're gonna get some paint work taken care of this. Anyway, we do want to thank you guys for coming out and watching us. As we said to begin with, make sure you subscribe, give us a thumbs up, leave us a nice message, or tell us how stupid we are. Hit that bell notification and share that link because that helps us. The comments really help us. It tells YouTube that people enjoy what we're doing. So we appreciate the comment, whether it's a positive or a negative comment. We actually appreciate the positive ones better. But anyway, we had a great day today. We got lots of stuff done. We're getting some painting taken care of. And we want to tell you guys, as always, thanks for watching. Well, we got a little bit of good news. We found the paint. So now we can finish painting the engine compartment, the wheel wells, the underneath of our hood. So it'll look nice and crisp under there when he goes to pop the hood to show his engine. Anyway, we got this thing going. We got it painted already. That's for Sunday's video. But we appreciate you guys coming by and checking this out. Thanks for watching.